Have you ever traveled to a new country, experienced a new meaning of freedom with new people, dancing, party, and living in a culture? Hi, welcome back to my channel Adi Sangati, and this is part 2 of day 1 from my Korea vlogs. Korea welcomed me in the most amazing ways. In this video, you will see me unfolding like a butterfly because I am an introvert when it comes to social events, but the pure vibes over here, oh my god, they are a bliss. So we plan to go to Jogesa temple for the light lantern show that happens on the account of Buddha's birthday. It was beyond my expectations, guys. If you haven't watched that vlog, you missed a lot, my dear. Go and check it out. After the parade, I didn't expect this after party. I mean, partying with substance or alcohol with friends and getting unconscious is nowhere in front of the joy you find here. It's pure bliss and open heart that keeps you high and completely live in the moment. So after the parade was over, we joined walking in the parade and then we found this. Out of nowhere, we saw the stage and they stopped us from walking and asked us to sit on the road. There were cameras, flashing lights, papers flying here and there. It was like a surprise for me because I didn't expect that this event would have this segment, at the end. So soon there was an opening of the show done. So this is how they started the show, and a couple of famous singers came and gave their concerts and also a bunch of dance performances. And meanwhile, during the break, there was something similar to Kiss Cam. Not exactly Kiss Cam, I don't know the technical name. Let me know in the comment sections. And there was a dance troupe that came onto the stage and asked us to form a circle and start dancing along with them. Now let's go to the fun part. There was a troupe on the stage and they asked us to follow along with the steps and dance along with them. It's interesting, right? I mean, I personally never experienced attending this kind of a concert, that too for free, and especially without the fear of a man standing behind me or fear of is he going to touch me inappropriately, kind of the stuff. I mean, I'm from India and you know what I mean. The biggest reason why I was an introvert in social gatherings is this. Men give dirty and uncomfortable stares, unnecessary touch and acting like nothing happened, no matter what their age is. But here I never ever felt that. Not just this day, even at 2 a.m. when I was roaming on the streets, just to breathe the freedom in the air. So this is one of the major reasons why I loved Korea. Anyways, at first you can see me struggling to open up, dance along with the people and match their vibe. But deep down, I really wanted to join them. Till some point, I was kind of conscious about did I get my vlog footage properly or should I shoot a little more kind of stuff. But look at me, unfolding like a butterfly. Once I cross-checked my surroundings, decided like, okay babe, it's safe. No one around you is gonna harm you in any way. So be yourself and have fun. And then I decided to follow along with the steps and dance with the people around me. I really can't tell you in words how this freedom felt like. So this was one of the troops that I was talking to you about, dancing along with them. While I was standing in front of the stage and dancing along with them, this reminded me of one of the Falguni Pathak's song, something like Yaad piya ki aane lagi. I mean, if you know, you know. So it's not as feminine as in that song, or it is not about searching for a dream boy or something like that. But I really felt amazing. Like this was my first time ever. we were completely enjoying the dances, and you can see some people who are completely dressed up top to bottom. They are from the dance troupe, so they came into the audience and helped us dance and do all that stuff. And I was thinking, like, I wish I could get a video with them, like hold their hands and dance along with them. Of course, I'm a vlogger. I do, wish for such nice, good footages. But look at this. Somebody grabbed me into this circle, and yeah, I started dancing along with them. And yeah, I got nice footages with them. That is it, guys. We loved a lot. We enjoyed the dances, and isn't this the most beautiful welcome ever? I mean, the universe is totally like, girl, you go have fun. Anyways, I really loved the experience, and I hope you loved the video too. Let me know what do you think about this video and what do you think about my trip to Korea. I have a lot to share with you guys, so stay tuned to my channel Adi Sang. I'll be here soon with another new video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.